Telly Sumbilla, mother of a killed Special Action Force Commando POC John Lloyd Sumbilla, walked out of the lower house hearing on the Mamasapano clash. Sumbilla is disappointed with how the hearing is being conducted. She thought the families of the fallen commandos would be given a chance to speak at the hearing, but it did not happen.
At yung mga sinasabi nila dyan, paulit-ulit, nung isang unang umpisa pa lang, yun din ngayon ang sinasabi nila, turuan ng turuan. Ang inaano lang namin, bakit walang reinforcement? Mayroon namang mga chopper, nandoon sila sa Zamboanga, nagmumonitor. Bakit walang nag-ano sa kanila, tumulong?
Still feeling hurt, Sumbilla instead read her prepared statement to CNN Philippines, hoping that it will reach authorities, particularly President Aquino.
Krimen ba ang magsabi ng katotohanan? Pinagbabawalan kami ipakita ang mga video. Ang tama nila sa noo, close range. Anak ko sa noo at sa tiyan nagsigawan ang mga sap bago barilin. I love you, baby. I love you, mommy. Execution ang ginawa sa kanila, hindi lang masakir. Pinatim kayo na ipapatay sila. Don't move, never mind. The commandos mabibiligro ang BBL. Sacrifice lang, 44 SAP. 44 na pamilya na ulila, nawalan ng mahal sa buhay. Dapat may managot, Mr. President. Pairalin natin ang batas.
For Roland Simbulan of the Center for People Empowerment and Governance, families of the fallen commandos should be allowed to speak at various investigations on the Mamasapano clash. Simbulan points out these family members were the last persons the commandos spoke to at the height of the firefight.
During the critical hours of the encounter in Mamasapano, yung mga text messages ng mga ng SAF 44 to them directly, at saka calls would reveal the situation on the ground, and that this SAF 44 were asking for help and assistance that was not coming.
But at the end of the day, whether they got to speak or not, families of the fallen SAF members are crying for justice.
Puro report, wala pang aksyon, hindi matutumbasan ang buhay ng mga mahal namin. Kahit isang sakong pira ang ibigay sa amin, ang pinaka-importante ang buhay ng mga mahal namin.
Simbulan believes families of the fallen commandos will only be satisfied once the whole truth comes out. And from that truth, people who are liable will be punished. George Gailes, CNN Philippines.